Y'all, Sweet Guluva's episode out now on YouTube. Make sure you watch that. What you gotta say? What you gotta say?
Hey yo, Tino has said it, you know what I'm saying, dog?
And I don't know what's going on here, but congratulations to you. Congrats to Sweet Guluva, man. I don't know what's the deal. I don't know what's going on. Or they borrowed him for this coming weekend, or the guys belong to him. I mean, I have got no idea, man. Watch the last clip, man, and look at this. Can you imagine, bro? Like a 2 millionaire, man, sitting down like this. Wow, this guy is so humble, man. Congratulations to you, Sweet Guluva. We love you, man. We're gonna keep on supporting you, man. We can't wait to see more blessing.